Let's have a look at some important objective questions regarding physical characteristics of water from the subject Water Supply Engineering. Question number 1. Tintometer is used to conduct fill in the blank of water sample. The given options are A. Temperature test, B. Color test, C. Turbidity test, and D. Odor test. The correct answer is option B. Tintometer is used to conduct color test of water sample. Question number 2. Odor and taste of the water sample can be determined using. The given options are A. Nephelometer, B. Odometer, C. Odoscope, D. Osmoscope. The correct answer is option D. Odor and taste of the water sample can be determined using osmoscope. Question number 3. Permissible turbidity in water sample is up to. Option A. 5 ppm, B. 10 ppm, C. 15 ppm, D. 25 ppm. The correct answer is option A. Permissible turbidity in water sample is up to 5 ppm. Question number 4. Temperature of the water to be supplied should be between. Option A. 0 degree Celsius to 10 degree Celsius, B. 10 degree Celsius to 20 degree Celsius, C. 20 degree Celsius to 30 degree Celsius, and D. 30 degree Celsius to 40 degree Celsius. The correct answer is option B. Temperature of the water to be supplied should be between 10 degree Celsius to 20 degree Celsius. Question number 5. Color of the water sample can be measured on. The given options are A. Platinum chloride scale, B. Cobalt scale, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. The correct answer is option C. Both A and B. Color of the water sample can be measured on platinum chloride scale as well as on cobalt scale. Question number 6. In odor test, the mixture giving first detectable odor is taken as. The given options: A. Threshold odor, B. PO value, that is power of oxygen value, C. Limiting dilution number, and D. Odor intensity. The correct answer is option A. In odor test, the mixture giving first detectable odor is taken as threshold odor. Question number 7. Technically, turbidity is a measure of. Option A. Murkiness of water, B. Resistance to passage of light through water, C. Presence of colloidal matter in water, D. Aesthetics of water. The correct answer is option B. Technically, turbidity is a measure of resistance to passage of light through water. Question number 8. Turbidity can be measured by. Option A. Jackson's turbidity meter, B. Bailey's turbidimeter, C. Nephelometer, and D. All of the above. The correct answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 9. In color test of water for domestic supply, number on cobalt scale should not exceed. The given options are A. 20, B. 25, C. 100, D. 150. The correct answer is option A. In color test of water for domestic supply, number on cobalt scale should not exceed 20. Thank you guys for watching. For more such videos on civil engineering subject, please subscribe Simplified Learning.